Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take more formulas of trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. In the previous video, we took cosine of sum and difference of two angles and sine of sum and difference of two angles. We are revising that. Number one, we did cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Second, we did cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Third, this is the cosine of sum and difference of two angles. Then we take sine of sum and difference of two angles. Sine A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Fourth, we did sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now today we are taking tangent of sum and difference of two angles. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. We can prove it. Left hand side, we have tan A plus B is equal to sin A plus B over cos A plus B. Then we can apply this formula. First and third, sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B over cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now dividing numerator and denominator by cos A cos B, we get left hand side tan A plus B is equal to tan A left hand side tan A plus B is equal to sin A cos B. When we divide it by cos A cos B, we are left with sin A over cos A, that is tan A plus cos A sin B. Cos will be cancelled, we get tan B over cos A cos B will be cancelled 1 minus sin A sin B over cos A cos B is tan A tan B. Proved. Next, sixth result. Similarly, we can prove tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. 7. Cotangent of sum and difference of angles. First of all, we take cotangent of sum. Cot A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 over cot B plus cot A. We can prove this. Prove left hand side cot A plus B is 1 over tan A plus B. Tan A plus B we have already done in fifth. We can put values 1 minus tan A tan B over tan A plus tan B. Now we convert this into cot 1 minus 1 over cot A cot B over 1 over cot A plus 1 over cot B. Then we take LCM, cot A cot B in the numerator. We get cot A cot B minus 1 over cot B plus cot A over cot A cot B. It will be cancelled. So we are left with, therefore, left hand side cot A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 over cot B plus cot A. Then next is exactly in the same way we can prove similarly cot A minus B cotangent of difference of two angles is cot A cot B plus 1 cot A cot B plus 1 over cot B minus cot A. So this is about the sum and difference of cosine, sine and tangent and cotangent trigonometric functions. Now we take trigonometric functions of allied angles. Trigonometric functions of allied angles. Allied angles which are 0 degree, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi minus theta, just like this. Let theta is any angle between 0 and 90 degrees, that is 0 and pi by 2. Now before proceeding, first of all, we take sine minus theta is sine 0 degree minus theta, which is sine 0 cos theta minus cos 0 sine theta. Sine 0 is 0 into cos theta minus cos 0 is 1 into sine theta. Therefore, sine minus theta is minus sine theta. Similarly, we take cos minus theta is equal to sine pi by 2 minus minus theta. So this we can write, or we can do it in the same way. This is, we can write it as cos 0 degree minus theta, which is cos 0 cos theta plus sin 0 sin theta. Now cos 0 is 1 into cos theta plus 0 because sin 0 is 0. This is cos theta. So sin minus theta is minus sin theta and cos minus theta is cos theta. We shall use this in the coming allied angles. Now before taking that, first of all, we take 4 quadrants. Quadrants are 4 parts divided by 2 mutually perpendicular coordinate axes. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, we have already theta lying between 0 and pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus theta, it lies in first quadrant. Pi by 2 plus theta, pi minus theta. Because this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, and this is 3 pi by 2, it is again 2 pi. Similarly, in the third quadrant is pi plus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta. In the fourth quadrant is 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 2 pi minus theta, and also 0 degree minus theta. 0 minus theta. That is minus theta. Similarly, 2 pi plus theta, it lies in first quadrant. So we shall take all these values. First of all, we take first quadrant. First quadrant, first quadrant. We shall take pi by 2 minus theta, where 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. Now, sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin pi by 2 cos theta minus cos pi by 2 sin theta. You know sin pi by 2 is 1 into cos theta minus 0 into sin theta, which is cos theta. Therefore, sin pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. Then second we get cos pi by 2 minus theta. It is cos pi by 2 cos theta plus sin pi by 2 sin theta. Cos pi by 2 is 0 plus 1 into sin theta, which is sin theta. So cos pi by 2 minus sin minus theta is equal to sin theta positive. On the basis of this too, we can find tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Similarly, tan pi by 2 minus theta is sin pi by 2 minus theta over cos pi by 2 minus theta, which is cos theta over sin theta. This is tan theta. Then this is third. Fourth is cot pi by 2 minus theta is 1 over tan pi by 2 minus theta is equal to 1 over cot theta is equal to tan theta. Then fifth, we take number 5 is secant pi by 2 minus theta. It is 1 over cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to 1 over sine theta is equal to cosecant theta. Then last is cosecant pi by 2 minus theta is equal to 1 over sine pi by 2 minus theta into 1 over cos theta is equal to secant theta. Now we have seen in all these 6 trigonometric ratios in terms of pi by 2 minus theta. All trigonometric ratios are positive in first quadrant. 2 pi plus theta we shall take it in the end. And secondly, here for pi by 2 minus theta, sine changes into cosine and cosine changes into sine. Similarly, tan changes into cot and cot changes into sine. Tan, vice versa. Secant changes into cosecant and cosec changes into sec. That is secant. So this is what about change this. Then we take second quadrant. Second quadrant. Second quadrant. Now here we take two angles. One is pi by 2 plus theta. Another is pi minus theta. First of all, we take all these 6 trigonometric ratios for pi by 2 plus theta. Sine pi by 2 plus theta is equal to sine pi by 2 cos theta plus cos pi by 2 sine theta. Sine pi by 2 is 1 into cos theta plus 0 is equal to cos theta. Therefore, sine pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta. Sine is positive in this case. Then cos pi by 2 plus theta, we apply cos A plus B, cos pi by 2 cos theta minus sine pi by 2 sine theta. Cos pi by 2 is 0, minus sine pi 2 is 1 into sine theta is equal to minus sine theta. Therefore, cos pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Now as we have done in case of pi by 2 minus theta, exactly in the same way we can find this. This is first, second, third. Tan pi by 2 plus theta is sine pi by 2 plus theta over cos pi by 2 plus theta. So this is cos theta over minus sine theta, which is minus cot theta. Similarly, cot pi by 2 plus theta is 1 over tan pi by 2 plus theta, which is 1 over minus cot theta is equal to minus tan theta. Now here you can see sine is positive, cos is negative, tan is negative, cot is also negative. Then we take secant. Secant pi by 2 plus theta in second quadrant, pi by 2 plus theta is 1 over cos pi by 2 plus theta, which is 1 over minus sine theta, which is minus cosecant theta. So secant is also negative. Then lastly we take cosecant. Cosecant pi by 2 plus theta is equal to 1 over sine pi by 2 plus theta 1 over cos theta, which is secant theta. So we have seen that only sine and cosecant are positive, all the others are negative. Therefore, in the case of pi by 2 plus theta, only sine and cosec are positive. All the others are negative. Then we take angle pi minus theta. First of all, we take sine pi minus theta. This we can write sine pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus theta. We have already done. Sine pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta. This is cos pi by 2 minus theta, which is sine theta. So sine pi minus theta is sine theta. Again positive in second quadrant. Then cos pi minus theta is cos pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus theta. In second quadrant, cos pi by 2 plus theta is minus sine pi by 2 minus theta, which is minus cos theta. So cos is negative and sine is positive. Then next we take tan, cot, secant and cosecant. 9 tan pi minus theta is equal to sine pi minus theta over cos pi minus theta. This is sine theta over minus cos theta, which is minus tan theta. Then we take cot pi minus theta is 1 over tan pi minus theta, which is 1 over minus tan theta. This is minus cot theta. And then we take secant pi minus theta is 1 over secant 1 over cos pi minus theta, which is minus cos 1 over minus cos theta minus secant theta. Then last is cosecant pi minus theta is equal to 1 over sine pi minus theta is equal to 1 over sine theta is equal to cosecant theta. Now in all these 12 trigonometric ratios, 6 for pi by 2 plus theta and 6 for pi minus theta, we see that in second quadrant only sine and cosecant are positive. All other trigonometric ratios are negative. And also in case of pi by 2 plus theta, sine change into cos, cos changes into sine. Similarly, tan change into cot and cot changes into sine. secant changes into cosecant, cosecant changes into secant. But in case of pi minus theta, in case of pi you can see there is no change. But in case of pi minus theta, there is no change in trigonometric ratios. Means sine remains sine, cos remains cos, tan remains tan, cot remains cot, secant remains secant, cosecant remains secant. That's all. In the next video, we shall take the allied angles for third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.